This is Way of the Cross with Brother Woody. Good morning to everyone. Well, do you know that you've been adopted? Yeah, that's right. No, I had real parents and they raised me and all that stuff, but and they treated me really good. Well, I'm talking about the Lord has adopted you into the family of God. Well, where do you see this in the Bible? Right here in Romans 8:14. This is what it said. For all who are led by the Spirit of God are sons of God. For you did not receive the spirit of slavery to fall back into fear, but you have received the spirit of adoption as sons, by whom we cry, Abba, Father. That's right. He's our Heavenly Father. Thank you for tuning in to Way of the Cross. The Lord bless you and keep you until we meet again. This is Brother Woody saying have a good day.